Another milestone for my life. Shout out to my wife. Alright guys, if you guys don't know, just a quick life update. I just got our first home, and this is the first official first day that we got the keys, and we're slowly trying to move in our official home that we actually own. Oh no, oh my god. Wow, it's clean. Wow. Place. Got a den here. Got the washroom, not too bad. Pretty big for what it is. Got our bedroom. Pretty good. That's me. This is our living room. The kitchen. Some fireplace. This is our balcony. Gonna get this one fixed. Pretty decent view from third floor. Got my first home officially that I own. Once again, this is our kitchen. Not too bad. Looks pretty decent. Got the living room. Very nice. Alright guys, as you know, we officially got our first home, you know, so this is our old place. Definitely gonna miss it. It's a huge mess right now because I'm starting to pack everything, so by the time we rent the U-Haul, we are good to go to, you know, just easily move in. So right now I'm actually fixing things, and once again, as you know, we're done renting, so we finally own our own place. Obviously it's not as nice as this one, and it's not as big as this one, but it's ours now. We own it. So I'm actually alone here. My wife is Kale is actually working, so I'm gonna quickly show you what I have right now. I completely forgot that I own all these shoes. I have so much shoes actually. Oh my god. Good thing I stopped buying. The very last shoe I bought was that one, I believe. Oh, actually the hiking shoes, but it's been so long since I bought one. Good thing I haven't been buying. Never mind, I actually bought this one recently. It's a Kyrie Lows. That was a very recent purchase, but this is our basketball shoes, so that doesn't really count to me. So yeah, this is how it looks right now. Getting everything ready. Alright guys, this is not even everything yet, and I'm hoping this will fit. All of this will fit all the way on that G35 coupe right there. Alright guys, I might put or add some later, but this is how it looks, right? This is one of the reasons why I chose the G35 over 250Z. Just for the storage that I could possibly use in the future, like today. 250Z can do this, so this is one of many reasons why G35 coupe over 250Z. Buying a new fridge for memories. 1.5. So expensive. 1.5.
Ano to?
Yung diba sabi ko,
Anong amoy to?
ay yung oil ng mukha ko kinakita. Nakatakot maglinis ng table nito. Uga-uga.
Huwag mo nang linisin. Ah? Espadhan!
Itbulaga pa pala ulit. Yung itbulaga na hindi naman bali sa 40.
Ayan, maganda. Drilling these holes. Just repainted it.
Plumber yarn.
No, let's play papawis na.
Oh, ba?
Jan, you wanna swim first?
Pamilya Junior.